Hello students, how you are doing that examples on the straight line? In the last class I started the exercise and I gave some questions as the homework. See that the common heading is find the equation of the straight line. In that I gave third one as the homework, passing through origin with the slope m. See, one point and one slope is given. Which formula we are using? We are using point slope formula. So required equation of the line point slope is y minus y naught is equal to m in the bracket x minus x naught. Y minus the point is origin 0, slope m as is x minus 0. This is y is equal to mx. See, is it simple or what is? Next, here also the same question. We have to find the equation of the line intersecting the x-axis at a distance of 3 units to the left. This is y-axis, this is x-axis. 3 units to the left means on this side. That means the x-intercept is given as 3 units left means the answer value will be taking as a minus. Given x-intercept. You know how to denote the x-intercept. X-intercept d is equal to minus 3 and slope m is equal to minus 2. Have you remembered the x-intercept form of a straight line? The formula is y is equal to m into d minus x. Required equation of the line is see, this also I gave you as a homework. Y is equal to m into x minus d. Write down m value and d value. What is m? M is minus 2 and d is minus 3. Already minus 3 is there, it becomes plus. If you want, you can keep as this, or y is equal to minus 2x minus 6, or y plus 2x plus 6 is equal to 0. The next 7th question is also homework. Now we are moving to the 7th question. So moving to the next question, that is the 7th one in 10.2, that is also homework. Passing through the points minus 1, 1 and 2, minus 4. Here also we have to find the equation of the straight line. See, passing through 2 points means which formula we are using? We are using 2-point formula. 2-point formula. The required equation of the line is y minus y1 upon x minus x1 is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. And for students' convenience, I wrote on the board y minus 1 upon x minus of minus 1 is equal to y2 is minus 4 minus 1, 2 minus of minus 1. See, it is y minus 1, minus into minus becomes plus, x plus 1. This is minus 5, 2 plus 1. Y minus 1 upon x plus 1 is equal to minus 5 upon 3. Cross multiply. 3 into y minus 1 is equal to minus 5. Minus 5 into x plus 1. It is 3y minus 3 is equal to minus 5x minus 5. 5x plus 3y minus 3 plus 5 is equal to 0. That is 5x plus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0. So these are the homework questions. Now I am moving to the question number 10. Till 9 I completed. Now I am moving to the question number 10. See the 10th question. Find the equation of the line passing through minus 3, 5 and is perpendicular to the line through the points 2, 5 and minus 3, 6. As I told you, analytical geometry is completely depending what you understood in the problem. Read the question carefully. Find the equation of the line passing through the point -3, 5. Let us take the point here. It is passing through the line, and this line is perpendicular to the another line. That perpendicular line is passing through the point 2, 5 and -3, 6. This is A, this is B. I am taking this as CD, and they are asking the equation of this question. This question is that equation of this line is asking. So that understanding is very important. First find slope. Write down the solution. Slope of the line passing through A 2, 5, B -3, 6. Have you remembered the formula? x1, y1, x2, y2 is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, that is 6 minus 5 upon -3 minus 2, 1 upon -5, or we can write -1 upon 5. This is the slope of AB. And what is the relation you are finding in between AB and CD? Is AB and CD are perpendicular to each other or what? If two lines are perpendicular, product of their slopes is -1. See, if it is -1/5, can you tell me what is the slope of CD? Is it 5 or what? Why? Directly how can you write? Because when you multiply these two, your answer will be -1. Therefore, write down, since the line CD is perpendicular to the line AB, therefore slope of CD is equal to -1 upon whatever is the reciprocal of that, slope of AB. Because when you cross multiply, slope of AB into slope of CD is -1. It is -1 upon -1/5. You got 5. See, directly I wrote. Now in the equation, in the line CD, you know the slope and you know the point. Which formula we are using? You know one point and one slope. That means point slope formula. Therefore, equation of the line CD with slope 5 and passing through -3, 5. Which formula you are using? Point slope, 1 point, 1 slope. Point slope formula. Have you remembered the formula? Yes. Y minus y naught is equal to m into x minus x naught. Write down that value. Substitute that values. Y minus y naught. Y minus 5. This point is x naught, y naught. Y minus 5 is equal to 5 x minus of -3. Y minus 5 is equal to 5 in the bracket x plus 3. Y minus 5 is equal to 5x plus 15. That is nothing but 5x minus y plus 15 plus 5 is equal to 0. So 5x minus y plus 20 is equal to 0. Moving to the next question, that is question number 11. See the next question, 11th one. A line perpendicular to the line segment joining the points 1, 0 and 2, 8 divides it in the ratio 1:n. Find the equation of the line. See, according to the problem, first we have to calculate the coordinates of joining the points 1, 0 and 2, 8 in the ratio 1:n. See which formula we are using? Section formula we are using. Section formula. And for your convenience I will write the formula also. This is x1 y1, this is x2 y2, this is m:n. X comma y is equal to m x2 plus n x1 upon m plus n, m y2 plus n y1 upon m plus n. Write down that value. M is 1, x2 is 2 plus n 1 upon 1 plus n. M is 1, y2 is 8 plus n into 0 upon 1 plus n. Yes, what are the values then? 2 plus n upon 1 plus n, comma 8 upon 1 plus n. These are the coordinates of the line segment, that required line segment. Now, what is the slope of the line joining? Slope of the line segment joining 1, 0 and 2, 8 is, this is x1 y1, x2 y2 is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, that is 8 minus 0 upon 2 minus 1, 8 upon 1 is 8. Now we have to write, see what is the, this is the slope, then a line perpendicular to the line segment joining the points, that means the required line is perpendicular to this line. So the required line is perpendicular to this line means what is the slope then? The slope is minus 1 by 8. Since the required line is perpendicular, since the required line is perpendicular to the line segment joining the points 1, 0 and 2, 8. Therefore, the slope is equal to minus 1 by 8. Now you know the slope and you know the point. Therefore, the equation of the line with slope minus 1 by 8, required equation of the line with the slope minus 1 by 8 and passing through the point n plus 2 upon n plus 1, comma 8 upon n plus 1. So 1 point and 1 slope, which formula? Point slope formula. Have you remembered the formula? Yes. Y minus y0 is equal to m in the bracket x minus x0. Y minus 8 upon n plus 1 is equal to minus 1 by 8. X minus n plus 2 upon n plus 1. Take the LCM on both the sides. Is y into n plus 1 minus 8 divided by 8 is equal to minus 1 by 8 x into n plus 1 minus n plus 2 divided by n plus 1. So n plus 1. Here on both the sides denominator get cancels. Do the cross multiplication. 8 in the bracket y into n plus 1 minus 8 is equal to minus x into n plus 1 minus n plus 2. It is y 8y into n plus 1 minus 64 is equal to minus x into n plus 1 plus n plus 2, and separate the terms, write down all the terms on left side. Minus becomes plus x into n plus 1 plus 8y into n plus 1 minus 64 minus n plus 2 is equal to 0. Understood? This is the answer. And I give you one question as a homework. That question, if you want, you can take minus inside, remove the bracket. See, you can write one more slide. 8y into n plus 1 minus 64 minus n minus 2 is equal to 0. That is x into n plus 1, 8y into n plus 1 minus 66 minus n is equal to 0. Take one sum as a homework. A line perpendicular, please make it 11b, perpendicular to the line segment joining the points 1, 0 and 2, 3, divide it in the ratio 1:n. Instead of 8, take as a 3. Take that as a homework. Now moving to the next question, that is the 12th one. See the next question. Find the equation of a line that cuts off equal intercepts on the coordinate axis and passing through the point. That means what is given? X intercept A is equal to Y intercept B. Solution given. A is equal to B. That is X intercept is equal to Y intercept. Then what is the equation of the line? Intercept form of the equation of the line. The required equation of the line. See what we have to write? Intercept form we have to write, because intercepts are given. Intercept form. That is x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1. But what is given? A is equal to b or b is equal to a. That's why the given problem is written like this. Take the LCM. X plus y upon a is equal to 1, cross multiply, which is passing through the point, which is passing through the point 2, 3. In place of x write down 2, in place of y write down 3. 2 plus 3 is equal to a, or a is equal to 5. And you know that a and b are equal. So no need to calculate b, because b is also 5. Therefore, required equation of the line is, write down in this equation, x plus y is equal to a, x plus y is equal to 5, or you can write x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. Understood? Now moving to the next question, that is the question number 13. Find the equation of the line passing through the point. Question number 13. Find the equation of the line passing through the point passing through the point 2, 2 and cutting off intercepts on the axis whose sum is 9. So, read the question carefully and write down what you understood. See what is given. First write down. Let x-intercept is A. Already you are familiar. Y-intercept is D. And what is the intercept form of the straight line? Intercept form of the straight line is x upon a. Given, find the equation of the line passing through the point 2, 2 and cutting off intercepts on the axis whose sum is 9. A plus B is equal to 9. Or you can write B is equal to 9 minus A. Intercept form of the line is x upon A plus y upon B is equal to 1. X upon A plus y upon 9 minus A is equal to 1. Take the LCM. X into 9 minus A plus y into A divided by A into 9 minus A is equal to 1. Cross multiply. X into 9 minus A plus y into A is equal to A into 9 minus A. Correct. And what is given? It is passing through the point 2, 2. It is passing through the point 2, 2. In place of x, write down 2. 2 into 9 minus A. In place of y also 2. 2a is equal to A into 9 minus A. 18 minus 2a plus 2a is equal to 9a minus a square. Plus 2a minus 2a get cancels. Take all the term on left side. A square minus 9a plus 18 is equal to 0. So we have to split the number such that the multiplication is 18, addition is minus 9. A square minus 6a minus 3a plus 18 is 0. A common, a minus 6 minus 3 common, a minus 6 is equal to 0. Now a minus 6 common, a minus 3 is remaining. A minus 6 is equal to 0 or a minus 3 is equal to 0. That means a is equal to 6 or a is equal to 3. That means we are getting two equations. If a is equal to 6, if a is equal to 6, then b is equal to 9 minus a, that is 9 minus 6, that is 3. Therefore, equation of the line is, or required equation of the line x upon a plus y upon b1, that is x upon 6 plus y upon 3 is equal to 1. LCM is 6. This is 2y is equal to 6. So x plus 2y is equal to 6 or x plus 2y minus 6 is equal to 0. One more is there. If a is equal to 3, write down that also. If A is equal to 3, then B is equal to 9 minus 3, 6. The required equation of the line is x upon A plus y upon B is equal to 1. X upon 3 plus y upon 6 is equal to 1. Take the LCM. 2x plus y is equal to 1. When you cross multiply, 2x plus y is equal to 6, or 2x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0. See if the sum is simple or what. Now I am moving to the next question, that is question number 14. See the question number 14. Find the equation of the line through the point 0, 2 making an angle 2 pi by 3. See, if the angle is given means indirectly the slope is given with the positive x-axis. This question completes one, and with the help of this we have to go for another one. Also find the equation of the line parallel to this, whatever you calculate above, to it and crossing the y-axis at a distance 2 units below the origin. See, first read the question, first half. Find the equation of the line passing through the point. One point is given, making an angle 2 pi by 3. That means slope is given. Slope m is equal to tan 2 pi by 3, because already you are familiar. 2 pi by 3 is 120 degree. Are you familiar? Remember the allied angles? How you split tan 120? Yes. Tan 120 degrees, tan 1 into 90 plus 30. Where it comes? See, this is 0 into 1, this is 1 into 90. It is 0 into 90, 1 into 90. 1 into 90 plus second quadrant. In the second quadrant, tan is negative, that is first point. And the coefficient of 90 is odd, tan changes to cot. Minus cot 30 degree, and cot 30 degree is root 3. It is minus root 3. So this value is minus root 3. Now in the first half, you know the slope and you know the point. Therefore, the required equation of the line with the slope m is equal to minus root 3 and passing through the point 0, 2 is which formula? On the bracket write down. One point and one slope. Point slope form. Have you remembered the formula? Y minus y naught is equal to m into x minus x naught. This point is x naught, y naught. Y minus 2 is equal to minus root 3 x minus 0. Y minus 2 is equal to minus root 3x. When you rearrange, you will get y plus root 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. See, this completes one half. In the next half, also find the equation of the line parallel to it. That means since the line is parallel to the above line, that means now whatever we calculated. If the lines are parallel means their slopes are equal. In the second half, here the required line is parallel to the above calculated line. Therefore, see, parallel means their slopes are equal. Therefore, the slope m is equal to minus root 3. And what is given? It crosses the y-axis at a distance of 2 units below the origin. It crosses the y-axis below the origin. Here this is, or you can come like this, below the origin. If the line cuts the y-axis, means it is a y-intercept. Y-intercept is denoted by C, and it is below, means on below y is negative. So C is equal to -2, and y-intercept C is equal to -2. You know why we took -2? Because it is below the origin, and below the origin y is negative. That's why C is equal to -2. Now you know one slope and one intercept. Which formula? Slope intercept formula. Yes. Have you remembered the formula? Y is equal to mx plus c. Y is equal to minus root 3x minus 2, or root 3x plus y plus 2 is equal to 0. So in the analytical geometry, to understand the problem is very important. Then only you can solve the example. See, moving to the next question, that is question number 15. First read the question carefully. The perpendicular from the origin to the line. See, this is the y-axis, this is the x-axis. Perpendicular from the origin is, the required line is like this. And this is origin, x-axis, y-axis. Perpendicular from the origin. From here if you draw the perpendicular, it meets the line at -2, 9. See, I know that it will not come in the first quadrant. Only for reference I draw the figure. This is A, this is B. Now, this is perpendicular distance from the origin to the line. We have to find the equation of this line. Equation of line. This is question 1. So, this is origin. That is origin value is 0, 0. Can you write the slope of OP? Slope of the line joining O and P, that is perpendicular from the origin to the line AB. Slope is, have you remembered formula? y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. This is x1 y1, this is x2 y1. 9 minus 0 upon -2 minus 0, that is -9 by 2. What is the connection here? OP is perpendicular to AB. Then can you write the slope of AB? Yes, because when you multiply, the answer should be -1. Product of the slopes is -1 if the lines are perpendicular. Therefore, slope of AB is equal to -1 upon slope of OP, because OP and AB are perpendicular. So it is -1 upon -9 by 2. That is 2 by 9. Now the slope of this line is what? 2 by 9. From the line AB, you know the slope and you know the point. Then which formula we are applying? So we know one slope and one point. Therefore, equation of the required lines, equation of required line with the slope 2 by 9 and passing through -2, 9 is, you know, one slope and one point. Which formula? Point slope formula. Yes. That is y minus y naught is equal to m into x minus x naught. Write down that values. Y minus 9 is equal to 2 by 9. X minus into minus becomes plus. Cross multiply 9 into y minus 9 is equal to 2 into x plus 2. Remove the bracket. 9y minus 81 is equal to 2x plus 4 or 2x minus 9y plus 4 plus 81 is equal to 0. 2x minus 9y plus 85 is equal to 0. So in the next class I am continuing with the next example.